Now on WWAY at 6, a jury finds a former Northwest cop guilty, but the judge does not agree. Thanks for joining us tonight for your news at 6. I'm Mackenzie Henderson.
And I'm Daniel Siemens. A Brunswick County jury today returned a guilty verdict against a former Northwest police lieutenant.
But the judge set aside Michael Hayes' conviction for participating in the prostitution of a minor. WWAY senior reporter Alyssa Rosenberg explains what happened in the lead at 6. That's first on 3.
It took jurors less than 2 hours to find Michael Hayes guilty on both his charges. But minutes after the verdict was read, the judge granted a motion to set aside the prostitution conviction, ruling prosecutors never established the victim was a minor at the time of the crime.
The definition the statute used to define a minor required the state to prove that she was less than 18 years old and she was not married or judicially emancipated.
When asked why prosecutors did not ask the girl those questions, Assistant District Attorney Daniel Thurston said he thought they had enough evidence to prove she was. In court, he argued the victim had a boyfriend, was living with her grandmother, and was 17 at the time of the crime. Hayes' father spoke at the sentencing and told one of the prosecutors he did not know how he could sleep at night.
He's his father, and family is family. However, Mr. Hayes was a sworn law enforcement officer, and their job is to protect the community and not engage in the activities that he was alleged to have committed.
Hayes received a 45-day suspended sentence for filing a false police report. He will also have to pay a $500 fine and court costs. But the final decision on the prostitution charge now lies with the State Court of Appeals.
Disappointed, obviously. Again, we do respect the court's decision, but we, like I said, we gave notice of appeal, and we're not done fighting to preserve that jury's verdict.
In Brunswick County, Alyssa Rosenberg, WWAY News Channel 3.
And prosecutors say if the conviction on the prostitution involving a minor charge stands, Hayes would likely face 13 to 16 months in prison.